motherfucker, nigga. Yeah, the cocaine's white. Chop it up and bag it. The fiends screaming no gear like they Randy Savage. I had Porsche dreams, hard tops, 911s. Now I'm in this big truck on my way to heaven. I see these haters and they bitches looking at me too. I got this line on me, now I ain't talking PSU. I be on my fly shit, I could blow a back out. Monday night, fight night, I could throw them stacks out. They screaming go gangsters. And my thug niggas with me too. I was riding drop Benzes at the age of 22. What the fuck they gonna do? My money's on flip mode. Touchdown, nigga, you can catch me in the end zone. When the feds rush, niggas looking all schizo. While I was laid back, bumping H to the Izzo. Call the street sweepers, cause bullshit I cleared out. Cause I get top dome when I'm heading out. I be dressed in all black, rocking with them dope boys. That Hermes belt holding up my toes, boy. Jordan 12s on my feet, that's them dope boys. And them Robin jeans on me, that's a go, boy. Ho boy, like I'm camming them. Club full of bad bitches, I could pull a bag of them. This the fourth quarter, I ain't looking for no OT. My back pockets looking like them bitches OD. That the dice game, head cracking with them OGs. I'm the rookie of the year, LeBron 03. Now I'm ballin' like I'm Kobe. This ain't a Citizen watch, this a Rollie.